Today I'm going to explain artificial intelligence, or AI, in the simplest way possible. No complicated math, no scary technical words, just a clear human explanation. By the end of this video you will understand what AI really is, how it learns, how tools like ChatGPT or self-driving cars work, and why AI is becoming so powerful in 2026. So grab a drink, relax, and let's make AI easy. What is AI? First, what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence means a machine that can think, learn, and make decisions like a human, but using code and data instead of a brain. A normal computer follows strict rules. If this, then that. But AI is different. AI tries to recognize patterns, learn from experience, and improve over time, just like humans do. For example, a calculator can only calculate, but an AI can recognize faces, understand language, drive a car, write stories, detect diseases. So AI is not one thing. It's a way of making machines smart. How does AI think? AI does not think like humans. Humans use emotions, feelings, intuition. AI uses numbers, probabilities, patterns. At its heart, AI is just math, thus data plus rules. Imagine this. You show a child 1,000 pictures of cats and dogs. Eventually, the child learns the difference. AI works the same way. You give it huge amounts of data and tell it, find patterns. The AI looks at shapes, colors, sounds, words, relationships, and builds a model of the world. This model is called a neural network, inspired by the human brain. Not a real brain, just a math version of one. What is training? Training is how AI learns. Step 1. We give AI data, examples, photos, videos, text, voices, medical scans. Step 2. We give it the correct answers, like, this is a cat, this is a dog, this is spam email, this is not spam. Step 3. AI makes a guess. If it's wrong, we correct it. If it's right, we reward it. This repeats millions, sometimes billions, of times. Over time, the AI gets better and better. Just like practice makes humans smarter. Neural networks simplified. Neural networks are the brain of AI. They are made of layers. Input layer, hidden layers, output layer. Example, you show an AI a photo. Input layer receives pixels. Hidden layers analyze shapes and patterns. Output layer says, this is a cat. Each layer makes tiny decisions. Millions of tiny decisions combine into one big answer. This is why AI seems magical, but really it's just massive math at extreme speed. How AI understands language. In 2026, language AIs like ChatGPT work using something called large language models. They do not understand meaning like humans. They understand probability of words. Example, if I say peanut butter and your brain says jelly, AI does the same thing. It predicts what word usually comes next. It learned this from books, websites, conversations, articles, trillions of words. So when it talks, it's predicting the most likely next word again and again, very fast. That's why it sounds human. How AI sees the world. AI can see using cameras and sensors. Self-driving cars use cameras, radar, LiDAR. AI looks at distance, motion, colors, shapes. It learns, this shape is a person. This is a car. This is a stop sign. It does not see like humans. It sees data patterns. Limits of AI. AI is powerful, but not perfect. It doesn't feel, doesn't understand morality, doesn't know truth from lies, only knows what it was trained on. If the data is biased, AI becomes biased. If the data is wrong, AI becomes wrong. So humans must supervise, test, control. AI is a tool, not a god, not a human, not conscious. Why AI matters in 2026. In 2026, AI is everywhere. Phones, hospitals, schools, cars, businesses, movies, games. It helps. Doctors detect disease. Students learn faster. Artists create. Companies save time. The future is not AI replaces humans. The future is humans who use AI replace humans who don't. Outro. So in simple words, artificial intelligence works by learning from data, finding patterns, making predictions, and improving with practice. It doesn't think. It doesn't feel. It calculates. And now you understand AI without fear, without confusion. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. And comment below. What part of AI do you want explained next? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.